Well, Fox 26 is your Gulf Coast Weather Authority, and you need to pay attention now because even in the studio, we can hear some rumbles of thundering.
Yes, we had a little storm pop up very close to the area, so I definitely hear that thunder, the lightning starting to pick up. Not severe yet, but let's check out what's going on out there. We've got two different views, one of our tower cams and a TransStar camera, 610 South around South Main Street, and the roads are wet. The rain is coming down, and if you look long enough, you will see some occasional lightning strikes, so things are kind of picking up. It was quiet for most of the day, at least in Houston, but those showers and storms have finally started to roll into H-Town. So if you are heading out late tonight, maybe early in the morning, you'll probably be impacted. You may want to slow things down, give yourself some extra time. I think the best shot for rain sticking around in the morning will be south of Houston, but right now you can see it stretching from Houston over to Sugar Land, Wharton, Eagle Lake, and all the way down to Angleton, Lake Jackson, and Freeport. Some occasional heavy downpours mixed in, but nothing severe. Thank goodness. The main severe risk should stay off to our southwest. If you're thinking, I'm tired of the rain, I'm tired of the storms, let's move on. Well, we will next week, but for the next couple of days, a few showers and storms will linger at least through the first half of the weekend. Then I think we finally start to kind of switch gears, dry things out for Mother's Day. Then the pattern kind of flips on us for much of next week. If you wanted some drier weather, you will get that, but in exchange, it is going to be hot. So we'll talk about how hot things will get next week later in the forecast, but right now I want to show you where we do have the risk for a few strong storms tonight. Best shot will be southwest of Houston down around Bay City, Matagorda, Palacios. Main risk would be some hail that may be close to 1 inch, close to quarter size, but likely it will stay below severe levels. Street flooding risk is highest across South Texas, but we are in that very low 1 out of 4 category for that street flooding through early tomorrow, and that basically stretches from Houston to Sugar Land to League City down to Galveston. So if you do get under one of these heavy downpours, just keep in mind we've had a lot of rain this week, so it's not going to take much additional rain to cause some street flooding, so watch out for that. We've got a weak frontal boundary kind of hanging out across the area, another disturbance sweeping through, so that will keep some showers and storms in the area. Temperatures are mild out there, still in the upper 70s, but we've got the thicker clouds and the rain that we're going to have to worry about for parts of tonight and tomorrow morning. Fox model futurecast showing around midnight some of these downpours, some spotty rain, a few storms still sticking around, but I think after tomorrow morning it will start to move out. Notice around 8 a.m. still a few showers popping up between Katy, Houston, Pearland, and Galveston, but by tomorrow afternoon most of you are dealing with drier conditions. Maybe a brief isolated shower for your Friday afternoon and evening. Now, another disturbance will try to make its way in for Saturday. Earlier in the week, it was looking fairly dry for Saturday, but now I do think we're going to have at least about a 30% chance for some of these spotty showers by Saturday afternoon. Notice the best chance, though, will be south of I-10, just south of Houston, so keep that in mind as you make your Mother's Day weekend plans. So tonight for Houston, expect a few showers all across Harris County. Houston to Channelview, back to Cypress and Katy, temperatures dipping to the 60s. We will have temperatures likely dipping to the 60s as well. 69 degrees for Jamaica Beach and 65 for Liverpool. Better chance for storms, though, down towards the coast, so keep that in mind. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll soar to the middle 80s. Look for some spotty rain, maybe a rumble of thunder in the morning. Temperatures will be on the milder side, actually, for much of the weekend. High of only around 80 for you in Sugar Land Saturday if you're heading out to the Sugar Land Town Square for the We Love Mom Mother's Day market. Expect a few showers in the afternoon, but I think Sunday mainly dry, plenty of sunshine in Sugar Land, high around 79 degrees. So it will be a little bit less hot this weekend, but then those 90s are coming back with a vengeance for much of next week, but it will be drier.